Hello and welcome. My name is David Isamuji. Welcome to this t-shirt design tutorial. If you're just joining me for the first time, I'll say thank you. Thanks for clicking through. But please, I'm going to advise you watch this tutorial to the very end if you want to learn how to create t-shirt designs that sell. If you want to make money from your business doing on prints or selling on print on demand side like Redbubble, TeePublic, Teespring, Match by Amazon. Please watch my videos to the very end. I always advise you guys to watch my video to the very end. I've released about 92 episodes already, so please, after this video you can go through and watch more so that you enlighten yourself with more design skills, more ways to design using either Photoshop or Canva. So for this one, I'm going to go straight right to it, and I'm going to be using canva.com. So without wasting much of your time, I'll just open canva.com. Yes, this is an online design tool, not like Photoshop. Photoshop is a software. This is an online design tool, but it also has a paid version. But I'll be using the free version for this one. So I'll just click on create design, custom dimension. The standard is 4500 by 5400 pixel, not inches, not millimeter, not centimeter, pixel. So you click on create. Once you click on create, it's going to open on a new tab. So now this is where we're going to be doing our designs. For this one, I already have my design. I already designed it. So for you guys, you might just want to be designing for the first time. Then you might want to use sites like flat icons to get your icon. But if you already have a design, maybe you got from a designer or someone designed something for you, or you colored something and you just want to put it on the shirt, or you have a business and just want to put your logo on the shirt, then you can just go straight to this step. So now what I'm going to do is to upload it, upload my design, upload image or video. So now I'll just look for the design. Just look for the design. It should be down here, or let me go to pictures. So just look for my design. Look for my design. Just look for it. Just gonna look for design. So this is gonna be the design. Gonna bring it into this Canva. So this is it. It's downloading. So while it's downloading, I just want to tell you, if you've not subscribed, if you're just joining me for the first time and you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe so that you don't miss out on these videos when I release them. I'm gonna be releasing videos as frequently, at least 3 times a week from now on. The last one was released on Thursday, so I'm going to be releasing at least 3 times a week. It's going to be Sunday, Wednesday, Friday. So please, if this is something you're interested in, make sure you stick around, subscribe, and follow me so that you don't miss out. So now we are done. It's uploaded already, so I'll just click on it once so that it will appear in this Canva space. So I'll just click on it. As you can see, we have it there. As you can see, just a simple design, a bottle and drink. It's just a typography / graphics design, so it's nothing complicated, just a simple design. So now, since we can't put up the background, like, let me show you. If I click on this down arrow, it shows me transparent background. If I click on it, it tells me I'm using the free version, so I can't get that. But if you stick around, I'm going to show you how to remove it in Photoshop if that's something you're interested in. So for now, you just click on download. We leave it to download. And once that is downloaded, then we can go over to stage 2, which is removing the background in Photoshop. So now I think it's downloaded, so let's go and cross check to make sure it's saved properly. Always make sure you do this every single time, because you don't want a situation whereby you think or you feel you've downloaded or saved your design and you close everything and go back to find out that you didn't save it or you didn't save properly and it can't open. So always make sure you save properly. So now I'm going to right click, open with Photoshop. This is because I want to remove the background. I want to remove the background from it, so I'm going to open in Photoshop. So I just want you to stick around. It's not going to take you time. But for you guys that don't want to go through the stress of removing the background in Photoshop, you can just get Canva Pro. It's super cheap. You can get Canva Pro and just work with that. But if you have Photoshop or you know someone that has Photoshop on its system and you can use this Photoshop, fine, take your design there and do this. So now we'll just create a new layer. You see this folded paper, it says create a new layer. You click on it once, then you click on layer 0. You head over to this magic word tool, It's got the magic word, so it looks like a magic stick. Yeah, you see it, magic word 2. Then you click on the white background. This is going to highlight every white background or most of it, and you click on delete on your keyboard. Now you notice we still have some white in the D and in the arrow, so all you just have to do is to click the one in the D, delete that, click the one in the arrow and just delete that. It's as simple as that. So now we are left with just the design. So now we have to just go to file and save it as PNG. You don't want to save it as JPEG because it's going to appear with the white background. So now you just want to save it as PNG. So it's going to be drink. So you save it as PNG. That way you have it with PNG. You have it without the white background. So yes, this is just use these settings. Press OK. Press OK, and now we're done with the download. You should just go back, make sure we check to make sure we have it. This is it, as you can see. Remember, this is it. So now you see it's without the white background, and we're good to go. Now you can upload it on sites like Redbubble, TeePublic, Teespring, Match by Amazon, and they'll give you a 3D mockup which you can just promote on Instagram. As you can see, just about 6 minutes into this video. It's not complicated. So now I want to show you something you can do if you've not uploaded it yet and you want to have it on a 3D mockup for yourself, or maybe you want to send it to a designer and you just want a soft copy you can send to people. If you're trying to promote it to your friends online and you just want to send a soft copy to people, so I'm going to show you a way to place it on t-shirt. So now you go to mockup, Anger mockup. That's the one I use. I use the Anger mockup. If you check my channel, you'll see that that's the one I mostly use. So as you can see, there's a design on it, but to get this design off, you see where it says your design here, you double tap and it opens a new tab. So you just delete this old design, and now we go over and bring in our new design. Just bring in our new design. Download and drink. Just 26, I think that is it. So we just go and find our design and just bring it into this part, so this layer. That's why it's always good to always save your design with a name you can remember. Always save your design with a name you can remember, so you don't have to go through the stress of finding it. So this is it. All I'll do is just to drag it into Photoshop here. So I'll just drag it. It's going to be here, but it's going to be super big and you don't want it that big, as you can see. So over my mouse to this edge, press down 3 buttons, my Alt key button, Shift key button on my left mouse key button, and drag inwards a bit. Now I'll just press enter, and now we'll have it. So you just come back to file and save. File and save. So if you go back, you see it's appeared on our shirt. So now you can change the color of this shirt. As you can see, you can make it white. You can decide to double tap on this color and just make it any color you feel like. It's up to you. You can just change it around. So for this, I will just leave it at white. Now click on save. Just click on save. Click on save now to save this. So go to file, save as pictures, drink, we have it as drink, So now I'll just save it as JPEG. So just save it as JPEG. And save it. Press OK. So now we have that. So now if we go back to pictures, care for drink. Now you see this is it. It's on a 3D mockup. Now you can send it to friends, you can show it to your designer if you want it printed on a shirt. Yes, this is not a mistake. Yeah, some people say it's not C but N, but that was the way I wanted it to. Just wanted you to see. There are some people that will see your shirt and like something is wrong with this shirt, but they still love the shirt. You know, when, for instance, when someone is tipsy, you tend to do things wrongly. So that was the concept around this. So instead of NK, it's CK, but most people see it as drink. You get it? So that was the plan. So you see, it's super easy and didn't take us too much time. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you to your right you watch the playlist. Please make sure you watch the playlist to get more design skills, learn more design, watch so many more videos. Please stay blessed, stay indoor. Very soon everywhere will be super cool and we can move around again. But till then, please watch the playlist, stay home, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next time.